Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and our presentation title is Performance Analysis of the CodeIgniter Framework using the Apache Web Server. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce our group member. My name is Maulida Hirunuzul and my partner is Salsabila Armelia Putri. Background. To build website, a framework is needed which can help build and develop that website itself so that developers don't need to build a website from scratch if they want to update the feature on an existing website so that the research needs are not too much. Currently, there is more than one type of framework that can be used as a tool to create website. For this reason, a performance analysis is carried out between the two frameworks, which then the result of the analysis can be used as evaluation material and input for developers for the selection of a framework in terms of performance.
Website. Website is an application that contains multimedia documents, text, image, sound, animation, videos in it using the HTTP protocol transfer protocol and to access it using software called browser. Next, framework CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter is a web application framework that is used to build dynamic PHP application built using the model view controller concept development patterns. CodeIgniter provides is a variety of libraries that can easier to develop and includes the fastest framework compared to other frameworks.
XAMPP. XAMPP is an Apache web server software which has a MySQL server embedded in it which is supported by the PHP programming language to create dynamic website. XAMPP itself supports two operating systems, namely Windows and Linux. For Linux, the installation process uses the command line while for Windows is in a process. The installation uses a graphical interface so that it is easier to use XAMPP on Windows compared to Linux. In XAMPP, there are three main components which is planned in it: the Apache Web Server, PHP, and MySQL. PHP or Hypertext Processor is a server-side scripting that integrates with HTML or Hypertext Markup Language to create dynamic web page. Server-side scripting itself means a program whose execution is on the site server. All processes in the PHP programming language are carried out on a server. Process done on the server, but the result will be displayed in the browser.
Design system. The modeling stage is the first stage to carry out a performance analysis, where at this stage a system will be designed so that it can perform performance analysis between the CodeIgniter frameworks by building a website-based application using the MVC architecture. Next, testing scenario. First start. Next, menjalankan software web stress tool. Next, memasukkan URL halaman. Next, sesuai. If no, back to memasukkan URL halaman. If yes, konfigurasi simulasi. Next, pengujian. Sesuai. If no, back to konfigurasi simulasi. And if yes, data time, speed, size, and error. If yes, end.
Test analysis. After the implementation stage, the next is the testing stage. At this stage, an analysis of the result of the test that have been carried out using several scenarios is carried out to obtain a certain value for each parameter being tested, and as a comparison between the two frameworks. Based on the graph, the average value of the test is 10 times the value on the CodeIgniter is 150.5 milliseconds to load page with a speed of 189 291 kilobytes per second on a file download with file of 367 kilobytes, and the time value on a Laravel is 254.5 milliseconds to load page with a speed of 114.167 kilobytes per second on a file download. With a file of 3.6182 kilobytes in a table 4.2, the page size value change and it's larger than CodeIgniter due to the Laravel framework loading more libraries than with CodeIgniter. So from the data, it is found that web applications that use the CodeIgniter framework have better performance than web applications that use Laravel framework. Based on a stream page graph, the average value of the test in 10 times, the time value on a CodeIgniter is 1,000 millisecond to load the page with a speed of 2 299 112 kilobyte per second on a file download with a file of 647 kilobyte, and the time value on Laravel is 184.7 millisecond to load page with a speed of 200 212.222 kilobyte per second on a 4.2 testing.
Next, stress test analysis. In here you can see the first graphic is result time stream page, and the second graphic is result time download page. That's it all from our group. I would like to say thank you for your time and attention.